An overly skeptical person might have said that the report from Syene was in error, but it's an absolutely straightforward observation. Why would anyone lie on such a trivial matter? Eratosthenes asked himself how it could be that at the same moment, a stick in Syene would cast no shadow, and a stick in Alexandria, 800 kilometers to the north, would cast a very definite shadow. Here's a map of ancient Egypt. I've inserted two sticks, or obelisks, one up here in Alexandria and one down here in Syene. Now, if at a certain moment each stick casts no shadow at all, that's perfectly easy to understand, provided the Earth is flat. If the shadow at Syene is at a certain length, and the shadow at Alexandria is the same length, that also makes sense on a flat Earth. But how could it be, Eratosthenes asked, that at the same instant there was no shadow at Syene and a very substantial shadow at Alexandria? The only answer was that the surface of the Earth is curved. Not only that, but the greater the curvature, the bigger the difference in the lengths of the shadows. The sun is so far away that its rays are parallel when they reach the Earth. Sticks at different angles to the sun's rays will cast shadows of different lengths. For the observed difference in these shadow lengths, the distance between Alexandria and Syene had to be about 7 degrees along the surface of the Earth.
What this argument fails to realize is that it assumes that the sun is millions of miles away from the Earth, and its emanation strikes the Earth homogeneously and in parallel lines. We know it does not. As you can see from the dog cam sport video from minutes 4:18 to 4:40, we see a heat spot on the lower atmosphere in this observation, proving that the sun is local to the Earth, and its emanation strikes the Earth not homogeneously and in parallel lines, but locally. The exact observation Erasthothenes made can be explained assuming the sun is local to the Earth, and as we see above, that assumption isn't a baseless assumption. It has experimental verification. And thus, Erasthothenes is refuted. Flat Earth defended. Southern Israelite, signing off.